How to use Microsoft Copilot AI. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Microsoft Copilot AI to save time and have your work be optimized. So let's get started. Well, first off, we all have heard about Microsoft 365. However, Microsoft 365 is now optimized further by using the Microsoft Copilot AI. You can unlock Copilot chat in your Microsoft 365 apps. So when you're using Teams, when you're using Outlook to send out emails, when you're planning out meetings, you can easily use the Copilot AI to reduce your own workload, and you're able to summarize things in your emails. You're able to get meeting notes with Copilot. You can just click on Add Copilot to add Copilot to Microsoft 365. And then from here, you will see this is our Copilot on the top right. We can go into our Microsoft 365 home. Additionally, if you don't want to go into 365, you can directly search for Copilot, and this is what it's going to look like. Now, in our Microsoft Copilot, we will see on the right, we can even get agents. So these are other Microsoft 365 applications where you can get specific tools, but we're going to be focusing on Copilot right now in the 365 application. So from here, you can click on New Chat to create different chats. And on the top right, you have your data protection, you have your about and settings. And I can click on settings over here where you can add, you can manage different agents with external data access. Now, in Microsoft, you can do things like research, comparing trends, building good habits, detecting outliers, and you also have CSS techniques. You can even click on view prompts to see some of the other prompts that are recommended. So you have Microsoft prompts, so rewrite this to sound more professional, tell me an interesting fact, and hypothesize what it reveals about the world. Step-by-step instructions, then you have your prompt. So you can save a certain prompt as your own if you're frequently using it. For example, I'll ask this to calculate the ROI, and this is going to just create the answer. It's showing me the entire formulas as well and how to do this calculation. Now, if you are using Copilot, you guys can see I can click on edit in pages, and this will basically create a MS page where I can edit this in my pages. Additionally, I can also just copy this entire thing and edit it in my Microsoft Word. We can also click on code and copy the Python code as well. Now, with Microsoft Copilot, what happens if I ask it to create a image of a cute cat? Like so. You guys can see that Microsoft Copilot is going to tell you that it's going to try creating that, and then it will actually generate images for us as well. However, this is done by using Microsoft Designer, which is their design tool or illustrative tool provided by Microsoft. So it's going to create 3-4 variations. AI content may be incorrect, something went wrong, try again later. You guys can see you can click on Designer over here to actually open up the background or open up the images that were generated. And I can ask it to make it a kitten as well. And you guys can see these are the cats that it has generated. These are really cute. I think they're cute. You can ask it to increase or decrease the resolution. You can even just click on download. You can ask it to change the background or to add or remove something, and you can blast up the images and have a better quality image as well. So with Microsoft 365, with any type of AI tool, you have different chats, and you can see your recent chats on the right. I can click on see more to see any of my recent chats, and I can choose to delete any of my chats as well. So if you no longer want to proceed or want to keep a conversation that you had, you can just delete it like so. Now, once we delete a conversation, keep in mind that the content within that chat is going to be deleted. However, if there is something like an email that you discussed or a Microsoft meeting that you discussed or scheduled, that schedule or that email is not going to be deleted. So don't worry about that. If you're scheduling things using Copilot, those are going to remain exactly where they are. This is only going to manage the conversation that you had about it, not the actual meeting you set up or the notes that you put in. Now, if you click on Get Agents to further optimize Microsoft's Copilot AI, we can click on over here, and this is going to lead us to our App Store, and we're just going to wait for our agents to be loaded up. Now, you can see these agents are integratable into Copilot. So, these include different types of agents, such as visual project managers. We also have backlog. We also have one page, which allows you to create one page summary and conversation starters in minutes before every meeting. We have a conference cloud, daily bot, decisions, eightfold Copilot. So, you can upgrade the functionality of Microsoft's Copilot with these particular AI tools. These are all integrated into Copilot. They're not individual tools, you could say, but they can serve you in a better way in conjunction with Copilot. Just to show you guys a simple example, let's use ABI. ABI is a document extractor. So if you scroll down, you will see it is a document procurement assistant, helps you procure team to get answers by sourcing query with relevant data points in the shortest time possible. This is great for ticketing systems as well. It has supplier shortlisting, category benchmarks, and more. You can pick out whichever one you want. I'm gonna be using the creatively one because I want to show you guys how you can actually build project managers on Microsoft Copilot as well. You can click on add, and this works across Copilot, Office, Teams, and Microsoft Outlook. So you're gonna have a visual space for your projects as well. And I'm just gonna wait for this. Once this has been added, we can see our agent over here, our Microsoft agent. Now you can click on individual agents. You can click on Copilot if you just want to message Copilot, or you can click on the agent and message the agent as well as Copilot. So I'm going to ask it to show some popular Creately templates. Oh, okay. So it can't show us popular templates, but I want it to which workspaces did I create in the last month? Show project management templates in Creately. I can ask it to, build something for me, so on and so forth. Now, not only are you able to use Copilot to get answers for your questions, but I can even ask what's the latest from dash person organized by emails, chats, and files. And I just tagged a person here in my Microsoft team. And it's actually going to answer with relevant activity. This email does not have any activity, but you can ask it to do that as well. Not only that, but you can also attach your files, you can add context to your files in the form of people, files, emails, or meetings, so you're able to get a understanding. So summarize this for me. And this is on Microsoft Loop. I don't think that this document has any information in it, but you can, summarize information and do all of these functions within Copilot. I personally think using Copilot individually as a simple AI chatbot or using it in Microsoft 365 is going to improve your functionality and overall performance. So there's no harm, no foul. I think especially if you're already using the 365 applications in your daily routine, in your office routine, then you're gonna have a great experience with Copilot because it does have all the additional benefits of AI included. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.